channel. Today we are going riding. We got the new girl back there, not sure if you can see her. Last night we put our brand new Recluse clutch in her. We broke that in, so she is good to go for one final shakedown ride, and then hopefully, if all goes well, we will race her at round 2. Today we're heading to Diamond MX. You guys will probably recognize the track once we post some video of riding. It's formerly known as, well, it was formerly known as Warhead MX. We've been there a bunch, we've raced there a bunch. Awesome track. It did change owners. This track is actually only about 45 minutes away, which is nice. MX 101 is 2 hours, so it's kind of nice to stay semi-local. So we're going to meet up with Mark, we're going to meet up with Muff. We should have a good day. Not sure if we'll be able to get in a long moto like we like to do. I like to get an hour long non-stop, but it depends how busy it is. If it's dead, they might just keep it in open moto, but if it does get busy, they're going to split it up into groups. So it might just end up being 15 to 20 minute motos, but we'll see when we get there. It's cloudy, but it's sunny. It's not too hot. It's kind of like perfect riding weather. I think it's going to be maybe close to 60 degrees or just slightly above 60 degrees. So it's going to be like beautiful riding weather. So we'll see you guys at the track. All right, guys, we made it. We got Mark right there. Muff's not here yet. Not even sure if he's coming. So we'll see. Track is looking mint. They actually reversed the direction, so, and they made some new stuff over here, so it should be a pretty good day. So have to kind of relearn it. We did come here last year a couple times, so, and years ago they reversed it, and I actually honestly I actually really liked it reversed. It's cool when tracks do that. They change it up. Definitely good. So it is dead. So I think the plan will be, see what Mark wants to do, but I think the plan will be to try to run. I mean, I'd like to run for an hour. We'll just have to see how the quad feels and how I feel, but I think that might be the plan. Or at least a half hour. If we can do a half hour non-stop, like, that'll be good. So it's definitely a little cooler here because this is right close to the ocean. It's a little breezy, not horribly, but tunnel time, baby. Alright, so I guess we go through right here. I'm going to start my GPS. Let me adjust my brake a little bit. Where the hell is Mark? You want to try to do an hour? You want to try to do an hour? No? Alright. Alright, let's do an easy sight lap. Check out the changes. Ooh, I like it. They changed this up a lot. This berm. Woo! Big table. Woo! Actually, it's smaller than what you. Wow, they actually shortened the track up a bit, it looks like. Way different. got the big one. Full throttle on that bad boy. Whoa, baby, that's a good one. Woo! Holy shit. Burning. Alright guys, so we made some clutch adjustments. I don't know, it could be too late. I might have smoked this thing. Like I said, I put it in yesterday, everything seemed good. And you know, we were rolling good for about a half hour. Everything felt good, and then that last lap, I just felt it slipping really bad. So that's when I stopped, just to try to save it. I don't know if we did. We had some tools, but we had to run. Harbor Freight and O'Reilly Auto Parts are right there, so we just went over there. I had some of the tools, but I didn't have any Allen wrenches, so we bought an Allen wrench set and took it apart, made some adjustments, and it does seem better. If I feel it slipping, I'm just going to pull off just to minimize the damage. So we did get a half hour in. It definitely sucks if this is it, but at least I got a half hour in and not 0 time in. Really good. It feels like I'm getting really good. Woo, that truck is so fun. right, guys, that is a wrap. We are headed home. I have to say, there was new, at least workers. I'm not sure if they're the owners or the details like that goes, but there was new people running the track, taking care of it. First off, the track was reversed, which was really cool. They kind of changed it up with some new jumps and a kind of a different layout. Like half of it's the same and the other half is completely different. And I will say, compared to last year, it was 100 times better, guys. So I will definitely be back. This place was awesome. We had a good first moto. It was about 30 minutes and it did get cut short because I noticed my clutch was slipping a little bit, so I pulled off to try to save it. I had to buy some tools literally down the road at O'Reilly Auto Parts, so thanks Mark for the ride. I grabbed what I needed, made some adjustments, clutch felt good, got back out there, 45-minute moto, quad ran great, I felt good. Ended up stopping, took a little break, and then we did a third final moto, which was about 22 minutes. Total mileage was like 45 miles, which was pretty good. I'm happy with that. I'm definitely making steps in the right direction. I felt good. I'm obviously tired now, but that's just normal. So if we can do a few more rides like this, we'll be in good shape for racing. But we're gonna go home, we're gonna clean this girl up, and we're gonna prep her to race round 2. I'm excited to race this girl in the woods to see how she does. But that's a wrap for this one, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you give me a thumbs up, that helps a ton. Drop some comments, let me know what you think about Diamond MX.